Hi, I'm Eeshan.
Hi, I'm Mrudul. This is our very first house, so we wanted to make it very special.
And while we were thinking of the interiors, the first option that came to our mind was architecture. We've known Rakesh for quite some time, and he has already worked on our previous house, and we love the results with that particular house. And hence, while it was time to think about the designs for our new house, it was a logical choice for us to go with architecture. We wanted a young, modern, and simple design for the entire interiors of the house, and Rakesh came up with a design which clicked in the first presentation itself. For the living room, we wanted some good seating space along with some funky colored sofas. And whenever our friends or family come over, everyone just enjoys the vibe of the house. We are also happy with the kitchen, which incorporates functionality along with very good aesthetics. For our bedrooms, we wanted to have a cozy look and feel, and that has been perfectly captured by Rakesh.